Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing an engine, but we got to clean up this bullshit. It is pretty dirty in here. Not going to get it perfect. Just got to get it a lot better than it was. Selling it to my buddy, so I'm sure he'd appreciate a cleaner bay. Probably the first time the motor's ever been out, so. Can number 2. I'd clean the underside of this hood for sure. Don't have to, I guess. It is pretty dirty. We're already here anyway, so just coat this sucker. Damn, this degreaser ain't doing shit. He's doing a fucking thing. So yeah, this engine bay cleaning was a fail. This stuff is just still on there. That degreaser didn't really do a damn thing. Probably would have got further if I just used like a car wash mitt or something stupid like that. Whatever. I ain't fucking doing shit other than fucking off. That's for sure. Alright guys, so I just tried cleaning up the engine bay. That was a total fail. So I'm gonna put this engine harness on now and take this distributor off. Clean up some of this stuff here, and then we're gonna try to get the motor installed in the car. We just have to replace one engine mount on the car itself, the driver's side mount, because that mount exploded somehow, probably whenever before, and then we'll just lift this sucker up and put her on in. Okay, so right now I'm just removing this engine mount right here because has a fat crack right there, nasty big crack, so that's not useful to anybody. Nice to just have a replacement sitting around. This one looks like it's brand new or whatever, but there's a separation on it, it's just broken. So throw this in here, and I'll get it all bolted down. Get this T-bracket on real fast. Alright, T-bracket's on. It's all done with. Now we can put this thing in the car. Okay, we're getting this thing installed. I don't really care. I just don't have any more time this week, so I don't have any time this week to install it. My girlfriend's working every day this week, so I really got to get this motor in tonight. I don't have to, but it'd be nice. So we're gonna get this jacked up, and then after it's jacked up, we're gonna pull the car in underneath of it and set it down. Hopefully it works out. And just I don't know, I took a nap earlier. I wasn't feeling so good. I was working on this thing earlier and I was ready to get it done like in the sun, but I just got really tired. I actually was feeling a little sick, so I quit working and I took a nap. But this thing's awfully high. We'll see if we could pull underneath it now. With it that high, it'd be kind of hard to believe it don't go in. Pretty close. Pretty close. It's at least above it. See what happens to start bringing it down some. Yeah, because once it's in there, no big deal. Kind of crazy doing this all alone. I feel like the car might have to come back. Or I could bring the hoist back some. Something like that. Kind of want to pick up this slave cylinder here so that don't get fucked up. Pretty much in the bay. So yeah, the motor's in the bay now. I don't have this bracket in on this side, so assemble that, put that bracket in, then we can put all the rest of the brackets in, just get the motor mounts bolted on. Alright, so the passenger side mount on. Also, we got the you can tell the rear T-brackets on. Pretty much bolted in, just gotta do the driver's side mount, and I gotta throw a bolt in the rear. But it's just a little progress update. It's getting a little dark, for sure. Alright, so I just got the rear T-bracket all mounted up. Now we just gotta jack this side up and put a little bracket right here. So this is the last bracket. Not last one ever, but last one for now. So you can get this motor bolted on and put the hoist away. Not away, it always stays out because I don't have a shop. But you know what I mean. Cool. So all the bolts are down, all tightened up. There it is. There it is. Fully installed. That's a wrap for tonight, that's for sure. I'm done. Alright guys. So pretty much that's it. There's my other one. I don't really take care of my rides, but it's all good. This one's legit though. Gangster ass Evo. I used to have a red Evo 8. I'll probably I could actually put a picture down below if you guys want to see. But if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Tune in for the next episode when we get this thing all buttoned up and driving. It's my buddy's car, so that's legit. He wants it, you know, drive it around as a daily so he can sell his truck, make some moves. So we got to get this car done, keep the world rolling, you know. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.